Governor Ododo Lauds troops for restoring peace in Kogi community. Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo of Kogi State has publicly commended the Nigerian military for their decisive role in restoring peace to a volatile community in the state. Following recent violent clashes and escalating insecurity in parts of the community, the intervention of military troops has been credited with stabilizing the area, allowing displaced residents to return and resume their daily activities. Kogi State, located in central Nigeria, has experienced periodic security challenges due to various factors, including ethnic conflicts, communal violence, and the activities of armed groups. In recent months, one community in particular has been facing increasing tensions, leading to violent clashes between different groups. The violence led to a rise in civilian casualties, property destruction, and widespread fear among residents, forcing many to flee their homes in search of safety. The situation had deteriorated to the point where local law enforcement struggled to regain control, prompting the state government to request military assistance. The deployment of troops to the area marked a turning point in the efforts to restore law and order.